Welcome to Ashama Issue, and this is Ashamahi. Hope you're all doing good and you're all safe at your homes. Okay, and I'm making videos on the topic of network topology. I have made my previous videos on incidence matrix and tie set matrix, and today is the topic on cut set matrix. Okay, this is also an important topic in network topology. Okay, so if you're not seen my previous video, you can see. I'll be giving the link in the iCard mentioned above. Okay, so this cut set matrix give the current balance equations. They give the current equations. Okay, and cut set nothing but from the word itself we can say cut is like cutting. Okay, we need to cut the graph or we need to cut the tree. Okay, and we will be doing in that orientation. So for n number of nodes we have n minus 1 fundamental cut set. So nodes are like, what are the circled one, these are called as nodes, and these are all the branches here. So how many nodes we have here? So nodes are like, we have 4. So and branches we have here 5. And how many cut set you will have here? They say that your cut sets are n minus 1. Okay, so 4 minus 1, how many cut set you have? You have 3 cut sets. As we are trailing with cut set, so 3 cut set are given with C1, C2 and C3. Okay, I'll tell you how you need to cut the tree. Okay, on paper of course. Now from this one, like tie set matrix, you need to select a tree out of it. Okay, you need to select a tree. Now what is a tree? Tree should have the same number of nodes, but the branches will be like n minus 1. So your nodes here are 4. How many branches you should have? 4 minus 1, you should have 3 branches. So I'll be now writing all the branches here. All the nodes, I'll first of all make it here, and I'll select 3 branches out of it. So I'll select first branch, and the second branch, and the fifth branch, like this. The orientation direction also have to be given. So this is a simple tree. Okay, so here there is something tricky. Okay, that is, these actual branches what we have selected, those are called as twigs. Okay, so this is my first branch, second branch, and the third branch, which is 5. These are called the twigs. Twigs are the actual branches. So actual branches are 1, 2, 5 we have selected. Okay, now what are the remaining things? The remaining things are 4 and 3. Okay, those are called the links. So let us draw that one also. The orientation should not be changed. So your links are the dotted lines. Okay, the remaining ones 4 and 3, which are not selected in the part of a tree. Okay, so this is how you need to select a tree, and you need to draw the remaining branch also. So you got to know, right? Twigs and links. Twigs are the actual branches what we have selected for the tree, and links are the remaining ones, the dotted lines. Okay, now how many cut set we should have? We should have 3 cut sets, because it's given with a formula of n minus 1 nodes. We have 4 nodes, so 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, so the first cut set, I'll make it along the nodes. Okay, first will be like, the directions are going, see, 2 is going away and 3 is also going up direction. So I'll make the cut set first one like this. This is the first cut I have made. Okay, and the direction I'm making it upwards, because these also branches are making it upwards, right? Now the second, whatever the first cut set I have taken, the same direction I'll be following, like the loops also. The second, I'll make it along the node 4, C2. Okay, and the direction is also same upwards. Okay, now there should be another cut set C3. Should I make it at 1 or anywhere? Okay, now I'll make it at second node. Okay, you can make here also, but I'll make a second node, so that these also will be linked. Your 4 also will be linked. Anything you can take, like any node wise you can take. I am taking like this. So directions again, so this C3. Okay, C1, C2, C3 are taken. Now the real thing is, now see, your cut set C1 is linked with how many branches? The twig, actual linking is the twig 2, because is all twig is selected. The twig is like a branch which is selected for the tree. Okay, and this is the link 3. See 3. Now your C2 is this, right? It is selected with direct branch, so twig 5 and links 3 and 4. Now your C3 is done with twig 1 and your links 3 and 4 again. See, now if you clearly see your cut set C1, C2, C3 covered the 3 twigs and the 2 links. See, there is no branch which is left which is not covered. All the branches are covered. Okay, your twigs 2, 1, 5 are covered and your links 4 and 3 also covered. So in that way you need to take the cut set and the directions will be the same. Okay, now I'll be telling you the rule. Let me make this one like this. Keep it aside so that you will really, it's like a handy. Okay, and cut set matrix is given with Q. Okay, so instance we have taken Aij. Okay, tie set we have taken Bij. Now this is cut set is given with QKJ. It is like the notation or something which they have already taken. So let us follow that. Why we should change it? Okay, so here your QKJ. So K here is the cut set and your J is the branch. So QKJ, that is equal to plus 1. Okay, when your cut set and the branch are in the same direction. Okay, so when K and J are in the same direction. Your QKJ equal to minus 1 when your K and J are in opposite direction. Okay, it is similar to tie set only. Okay, and your QKJ is equal to 0 when they are, when your branch is not in the cut set, when J is not in cut set. Okay, your QKJ means your cut set direction and your branch direction, if it is same, then you need to give a value of plus 1. When your cut set direction and your branch direction are opposite to each other, okay, then you should give a value of minus 1. When they are not linked with each other, okay, then you have to give a value of 0. Now let us make a tabular form. For the tabular form, your cut set is taken along the column. Every time we'll do like that, right? Okay, when your tie set also, you're taking every current in the column equation. So, how many cut sets we have? C1, C2, C3. Okay, if you see my previous thing also, all the nodes are taken along in column and all the branches are taken in row wise. Here also, we follow the same thing. Okay, how many branches we have here? 2, 3, 4, 5. So, these are the branches. Now let me divide it. Okay, C3 also. So I have divided this one. Now the real thing comes. It's very easy. Don't confused. See, for the C1, what are linked? Your twig 2 and link 3. Your twig 2 and link 3 are linked. Okay. So now your twig 2 is in which direction? Is it in the same direction of C1? See, C1 is going in the outward direction. Your 2 is also going in the outward direction. Both are going in the outward direction. So your answer is plus 1. And your C2 is linked with 3 also. The branch 3. The directions are same. It is also going outward. This is also going outward. So it is again plus 1. So which are not linked? 1, 4, 5 are not linked. So we will give it as 0. Now for C2, we already written C2. Twig 5 is linked. Okay, it's a direct link. So C2 direct 5 is going outward. Your C2 is also going outward. So both are taken as plus 1. Your 5 is taken as plus 1. Okay. Now for twig link 3 and 4 also link 3 and 4. See, now you take the fourth branch, which is fourth branch. The direction is coming inward, but your cut set direction is going outward. See, 4 is coming in. Your cut set is going out. They are having opposite direction. So your cut set C2 and branch 4 are opposite to each other. So it is taken as minus 1. Now third one, third branch. So this is the third link actually. For third link and your C2, both are in the outward direction. So it is taken as plus 1 again. Now which are not linked is 1 and 2. Simple. Okay. Now for C3. This is C3, the middle one. C3, your branch 3 is linked. Both are in the same direction, going outward. So it is plus 1. Okay, your C3 is linked with branch 4 also, but then opposite direction. Branch 3 is going outward, your 4 is coming inward, they are in opposite direction. Okay, so this C3, this is plus 1. Okay. And your branch 4 opposite, so it is minus 1. And now your C3 is linked with twig 1. See, twig 1. Twig 1 is coming this side in the outward direction. Your C3 is also going in the outward direction. Both are in the outward direction. So, your twig 1 is also plus 1. Now, which are not linked? Your 2 and 5 were not linked to cut set C3. Okay. So, this is how you need to find it. And from here directly we can write the current balance equations. Let us take this out. This current balance equation. So, if we take this as I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, your I2 plus I3 is equal to 0. The first equation. See, I2 plus I3 is plus equal to 0. The second equation is your I3 is plus minus I4 because this is minus 1 and plus I5 is equal to 0. And for third one, it is I1 plus I3 minus I4 is equal to 0. According to this, if it is minus, that is minus I4. Okay. So, these are the current balance equations. See how simply we got the current equations here. From tie set, we can find the current balance equations directly. Okay. See how simple it is. Follow this method for your examination and definitely you will score good marks. Okay. So, if you really need anything, you just comment in the comment section below and please do subscribe and support me for my upcoming videos. Thank you. Asha Mahi. Bye-bye.